So number 18 is similar to number 17, where we have to try and see which of these is true. So they give us an original equation, and it's actually graphed in this graph below. And then what we have to do is compare it to this other one that's slightly different. And so either one, it got wider, or it shifted, meaning it moved to the right, or it got narrower, or it shifted upwards, meaning it moved upwards. So let's see what this what this is here. So first we can see that this has a 3 here. So if you remember where that comes from, is that's how wide or narrow is. That's shape. It's also positive. That's why it's going upwards. And also our vertex is -3, -4. And you can see that on this graph. So it's -3, -4. And as you remember, that number in front can sometimes act like almost like a slope, but not really, where it's kind of going up 3/1. And we see that that gives us the point on here, similar to the absolute value equations. So now though, looking at g of x, which is the one we're going to compare it to, we see g of x has a vertex of -2, -4. So it's -2, -4, which is going to be to the left 2, down 4. So now instead of my vertex being over here, it's actually only at -2. And the sort of slope, not really slope, but kind of treated the same way, is still up 3 over whatever. Up 3/1, up 3/1. And it's always going to be over 1. And we can see that basically if I draw this in, we're going to get the exact same looking parabola, except the difference this time is it shifted over to the right 1 step. So that one is, it's shifted to the right.